Ngayong 2025, my goal is to be better, learn new things.
Ngayong 2025, I will focus on self-care. I will focus on self-improvement. I will focus on self-love.
I want to be the best that I can as a VA.
Ngayong 2025, I will continue to push my boundaries.
Ngayong 2025, I wanna travel more, of course, with my parents and improve my skill set, not just professionally, but also sa art, like fashion design, and also painting and do pottery. My number one goal is to provide comfort, not just for myself, but my family as a whole, especially my parents. I wanna bring them to all of my travels since senior na sila, and I wanna show them the world.
Ngayong 2025, I will focus on self-care. I will focus on self-improvement. I will focus on self-love. Kasi goal ko yun ng 2024. Ano nangyari? Diba? Pero ilalaban natin yan ni. Ilalaban natin yan ni kasi naniniwala ko na bilang isang service provider, you are the product. And pag ang product ay nasira, wala na. Wala na rin ang business. No? Hindi na rin i-consume ng mga kliyente. No? So, self-care above everything else, and then of course the rest will follow. One specific goal, nothing really big, pero to be able to travel to more international destination nang hindi sumasakit ang ating bulsa. I wanna go to Australia, I wanna go to Bali, I wanna go to many places this 2025, and of course yung mga local, yung mga domestic destinations too.
Ngayong 2025, my goal is to be better, learn new things, because I enjoy also learning new things, and especially being a virtual assistant, there is still so much to learn. And also ngayong 2025, I aim to be a better mom and a better daughter. My number one goal is to have a successful virtual assistant career. I want to be a good provider for my parents and my kids, and also because this is something I really enjoy doing. I'm 100% focused and determined, learn new things, be better, and just be a successful virtual assistant.
Ngayong 2025, laban sa aking family time, more gala with kids na sana hindi lang sa playground, more on overseas, ganon. Number one goal, syempre, to give my kids a good life. Yung mapapapasok ko lang sa kahit na ano eskwelahan na hindi ko titignan yung tuition fee. Ganon. So.
Ngayon 2025, I want to be the best that I can as a VA kasi dumadami na yung mga tao na uma-apply which has better skills than me. My top one goal or number one goal being a VA right now is to be more financially stable and to travel more places and countries that I have traveled right now, and especially lastly, being the best and skilled VA that I can be.
Ngayong 2025, yung goal ko talaga is financial management kasi medyo nasa gastador ako na side. Yun yung goal ko, mag-save up, tsaka makabili na din ng something na worth it yung sinave ko for the whole year. My number one specific goal this 2025 is to save up more money para makabili din kami ng bahay, and also to upskill na din.
Ngayong 2025, I want to expand my skill sets more, learn more technical skills so that I can join more on the tech industry rather than a wide range of niches. My goal for 2025 is to be able to travel more with my family and to be able to have more financial freedom, and also mag-provide ng madaming kaligayahan sa pamilya ko.
Ngayong 2025, I will continue to push my boundaries and working with and working around people who inspire me and uplift me. It will be easy to do, and I hope that I can also do that to the entire Coconut VA community. My number one goal is to keep Coconut on track for our 5-year goal. Dahil growth in Coconut means growth for the entire community, and 2025 is a very exciting year for us and all the years to come.
Ngayong 2025, my goal is to upskill para more chances of, getting more clients. My top one goal is to be financially stable para more panggastos and pang-travel.
Ngayong 2025, I want to expand my skills more to also help Coconut VA more. For how many years I've been into graphic designing and I want to explore videography. And one thing good about Coconut VA is that they support you all the way sa skills development mo. Nandyan sila para sa'yo. My top goal is to achieve financial independence. Though hindi ko naman na-experience yung Pecha de Peligro, but I want to save for my family and for my future. And that's my number one goal sa 2025. And I'm really excited to welcome 2025. Ang dami kong pinagsasabi, di ba? And para mapatunayan mo yan, and to see for yourself, join Coconut VA.
Guys, let's go na Coconut VA!
If you want to experience a great working environment and get benefits like HMO, 13th month pay, and a lot of other good benefits.
Even if you think that you're not fully qualified, but you're 80% there, a lot of the skills and a lot of the things that are on the job description are transferable skills or skills that you can easily learn. So just go for it.
Kaya huwag ka nang isip dyan kung magpasa ka na lang. Go, apply sa Coconut VA.
Get your profiles in the talent pool kasi who knows, your perfect client might just be around the corner.
So what are you waiting for? Apply now here sa Coconut VA.
Join Coconut VA now by clicking the link in the description box. Come on.
Join Coconut VA now.
Apply na and click the link below.
Apply to Coconut VA.
Apply na!